Hi guys, it's Kristen with the APO Creations, and I am back trying to do the Larimar with pigments from Laura's Art Corner. So I colored the outside edge with this beautiful deep blue hyacinth that Laura sent me in some Happy Mail, and I will be using her silver dollar chunky glass glitter for the center when I get everything done. I mixed up 175 mils of Bond Craftor, and I want to separate it into cups with different colors. All right, so I'm also using Julie Kutz's bloom paste from Pouring Your Heart Out. Okay. Oops. This is the Candy Apple Blossom. Also using the Boomerang Lilac. And then finally, the fluorescent deep pink. I just got pink all over my hand. Okay, so I am going to just start mixing up these colors. Okay, once I finish mixing all of these up, I will put it in my Let's Resin Debubbler. Okay, just give the white a little bit more of a stir. Hopefully it's not too much white. Anywho, I'm gonna go put these in my debubbler and I'll be back. All right, it's time for demold. So this will be interesting. There's a lot of white on the back, so I'm hoping that it did what it was supposed to do. And look at that side. Oh, that's so gorgeous. All right, here we go. Oh, interesting. So I think I might have put a little bit too much white in there, but look at these glass glitter flakes. So pretty. Oh, I did have one blob of pigment. Ah! One day I will actually mix my pigment in properly. I promise. This I did with alcohol inks. It's so cute. Okay, so kind of. I mean, I got the effect. It would have just been nice if the white hadn't been so heavy and covered up all of the color. So back to the drawing board. So I think this, I can definitely say this is 50-50 pass fail. So it passed because I got the effect, but it failed because, well, A, I didn't mix all my pigment in, but B, it didn't show the colors as well as I would have liked. So maybe just one drop of the white instead of the two. All right, do me a favor and like, subscribe, comment. I'll put the QR code for the subscription right here, and then I'll put the Buy Me a Coffee subscription, or listen to me, Buy Me a Coffee QR code right here. And I hope y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye-bye.